everybody. This is Dr. Aimee Johnson at Creature Comforts Animal Hospital, and this morning we are actually performing a dental cleaning on a little dog that their owners are fantastic. They really do. About once a year they try to make sure this little kiddo gets his teeth cleaned. So why would we do that? A lot of people wonder why. I hear this all the time. Well, they're dogs. Why am I going to clean their teeth? So let me explain a little bit about that. I'm going to show you this pup's teeth and explain a little bit about what you're seeing. So if you look, you can see, if we can get up close and get it to actually, there we go. See the bright red line along the gum there? That's actual infection and inflammation. And overall, most people would look at this. You see the back teeth here, a lot of swelling of those gums, bright red. You can see the brown on the tooth, that's the tartar. So what we're seeing here is active infection in the mouth. And what infection leads to is you're going to basically start with that swollen gum, and then it's going to lead to gum recession. So the gum's going to be pushed away from the surface of the tooth, and then bacteria can get back up under that gum line, and it can actually start to cause erosion of the bone. And once you start losing bone, then that's when you start losing teeth. And ultimately we would like to keep teeth healthy. We would like to have our dogs keep all their teeth. A lot of times people are like, well, they can't eat if they don't have any teeth. And that's not really true if we think about it. They're not out hunting for their food anymore. And they actually can eat even dry food without a single tooth in their mouth. But teeth, they're important. They actually add to the strength of the jaw. They're what keeps the tongue in the mouth. So teeth are important. And when you have infection in the mouth, then you also have potentially infection in the rest of the body. So that's why we want to do this. So what I always recommend, a couple of tips, things that we can do, and I'm going to show in future videos, is actually brushing their teeth. We talk about animals and brushing teeth, and people kind of give me a cross-eyed look sometimes. But the reality is brushing their teeth is the gold standard, and it does help, though it does not replace true dental cleanings like what we're performing today. And then there's other things. You can use bones, you can use mechanical things like things people have heard of, greenies, some rawhides that have some enzymes basically embedded in them. There are rinses that you can put in their water. So there's a plethora. There's even diets that are for dental health. There's a plethora of options, but the gold standard is brushing. And then once a year minimum, it might be different for your dog, is this. You're going to actually have them under anesthesia, and and you're going to actually be giving them a full-blown tooth cleaning. And what we use to do that is a dental machine. And you can see we've got the different heads. This one right here is the ultrasonic cleaner. And many of you have had your teeth cleaned with an ultrasonic cleaner. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start with an ultrasonic cleaner. We're going to move on to the polishing head so we can smooth off those surfaces. And if need be, I'm going to actually have to extract some teeth. And we have a high-powered drill that we do that. We section the teeth into the different roots. And I know a lot of people get distressed, and they want to make sure that their dog gets the best of care, their kitties get the best of care, because felines need this as well. And they think, how can I avoid the professional dental cleaning? Really, we can't fully avoid it. This is what's going to give you, on average, 2 years longer life in your dog or cat. But there are things that you can do to minimize the damage through the years. So I hope this helps. We're going to talk in the future about the different steps, brushing, the different items like the certain bones that I recommend, different rinses I recommend. But today, I wanted to talk about a true professional dental cleaning. So I hope everybody has a great morning. This is Dr. Aimee Johnson with Creature Comforts Animal Hospital.